One name kedu ana manabatu nine na obi olu ndi Igbo ya bụ na obi the voice of the East. Tata onye mụ na gara enwe nkata pụrụ iche bụ Ebeniro Somtochukwu Favor. Onye a bụ a content creator and influencer yana orugolu MTN orugolu YouTube and other big brands ọrụ. O nwekwara event ọ na-eme that is coming up on our Car Fest nke na-abịa on the 30th of August 2024. Enwekwu na mahọ bụ Ebeniro Somtochukwu. Ahịa bụ Frosty Papito. Papito ụmụ nwanyị. Frosty, no.
Thank you so much.
And I'm going to be voice of the East.
Yes.
We are so happy to have you. Mana before I want to put out a disclaimer. Frosty anaghị asụcha Igbo ọfụma. Ọ bụ onye Igbo. Ọ bụ onye ihe Igbo na-amasị. Mana anyị mana onwe ndị na-amachaghị asụsụ anyị. So anyị ga-anagide Frosty. Ọ na-asụla ya na Bekee. M ga na-asụla ya n'Igbo. Amekwa m n'uche ga na-aghọta ya. Frosty, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Okay, akọwago ngị dịka nsi mara gị. I nwere ike ịkọwatụrụ anyị onye bụ maybe ebe ị gara akwụkwọ, aha gị, ebe ị toro, ihe ị na-eme ugbu a.
Okay. So bụ Ebeniro Somtochukwu Favor. I grew up in Ibadan. I spent roughly 15 years in Ibadan before I and my family moved to
Enugu.
Yes. And I schooled in Ibadan too, because I spent 50 years there. So I schooled in Ibadan. So when I moved to Enugu, I got my admission into Alex Ekwueme Federal University in Ebonyi State.
That's Funai.
Yes, Funai. And I studied civil engineering for 5 years. And now I'm done with school. I'm a content creator, I'm an actor, I'm an influencer, I'm a brand promoter, music promoter.
Exactly.
Exactly. So right now I am an event planner, not event planner, what's the word? I'm mostly an event. You understand? There's a big event coming up. The name of the event is Frosty Car Fest. Yes, and this event is big. It's taking place in Opera Square in Enugu State. We're expecting all sorts of cars, both luxury cars, the vintage cars, cars that can drift, the convertible cars, you name it. It's big, it's massive in Opera Square. So on that day, we'll be having all sorts of entertainment like music, comedians, food, vendors.
That food can get you
Yes, there'll be vendors on that day. There'll be brands, both small and big brands will be live on that day. It's a festival. You know what the festival is. So the activities that will take place on that day is car drifting. We'll have cars that will drift. We have cars that will go through our drive-through. We're going to have like a drive-through, and as they're having that drive-through, we'll explain to you guys the kind of cars, what the name of the car, what's the name of the car, the model and all.
The brand, okay.
Yes, the brand.
Okay. Before going much about these events now, you could drive through man, you drive by. All right, Atom, you talk to us about, before you tell us, you go into much details about this upcoming events now. Tell us how it is landing job roles. I mean, influencer job
in
Enugu State. Because in a lot of persons now brands don't work with people in Enugu, but you're somebody mother has worked with a lot of brands, even while staying in Enugu.
So I will speak for myself.
Okay.
I will not speak for I'll just speak for myself. I'll not speak for all of us in general. So there are some of us who back these deals. Do you understand? And we have been able to back these deals because of the grace of God. Do you understand? It's nothing, but it's not because of the kind of content we do or the effort we put. It's just by the grace of God we've been able to bag these deals. And if I'm to talk about influencers bagging deals, I'll just tell them they should focus on themselves, like focus on their craft. You understand? Maintain a niche. Don't try to do what everybody's doing. You understand? If you try to do what everybody's doing, you fall into shadows. Do you understand? So stand your ground. That's if you're if you have passion for it. Content creating is not as easy as you think. So if you have passion for content creating, stand your ground, create what you feel like creating and put it out there, and pray. If you keep praying, God will, expose you and reach out to brands for you.
If you keep praying, God will expose you and reach out to brands for you. Fine. And we again mini celeb na-eme. Ị na-aga ọrụ, ifukwa ha na text, ifukwa ha na ozi mini celeb, watch eju gị iru, and you're always happy. And then there is this short film unu mere dị na YouTube.
Yes, Dear Madman.
I didn't sure onye ala aka bụrụ ya. It's fine. Yeah. Can you talk to us about, first of all, you igagwai about the collaboration Gina mini celeb neme. Talk to us about the short film. Use this opportunity to advertise it to the masses, and then you zaziamo magina mini celeb unabu a thing. I don't go.
Okay, let's talk about my collaboration with Mini Celeb.
All right.
So Mini Celeb, she's one of the most creative person I've met in Enugu State. She's intelligent. I mean, she's a medicine student, and she's also creating content. She's very, very good. She's a good storyteller. She knows how to communicate. I mean, you watch that video, you see where she talks. Yeah. So she's a good. She knows how to communicate, and she's talented as well. And she's a good dancer. Maybe you guys have not seen that.
I've not seen her dance.
No, I'm a dancer too, so I'll extract it from her.
Fine.
And tell you guys. She's a good dancer. And our collaboration, honestly, I think it's God that brought I and Celeb together. Because when we are together, the kind of things we do is massive. Like anytime I and Celeb come together, this is part of collaboration. You understand? So anytime I and Celeb come together, we put one or two things together. She brings her own idea, I bring my own idea. Boom, we put it out there. It's shaking the internet, it's shaking everywhere. Everybody's watching it, everybody's enjoying it. So it's collaboration. It's a gift, my gift, our gift, the videographer's gift, the editor's gift. Like it's a collaboration. You understand? Content creator is not just the guy who's in the video.
Yeah.
It's about
a team.
Yes, a team. So I have my team, and all of us we work together and we put out content.
That's fine. Oh, when can answer the last question?
What was the last question? If I and Celeb are anything.
Are you married?
I'm not married.
Are you married?
And I'm not married yet.
Okay, you're planning to marry Celeb.
Is that?
A lot of persons would want to know what the relationship with you guys are, and a lot of persons are actually because they'll be very, very happy for it.
Yeah, so this is the thing. We know what I and Celeb, we know what we are. Do you understand? We don't know if you guys don't know if we're in a relationship or we are just friends. But it's I and Celeb, we know what we are. So I'll leave it at that.
Very smart answer.
With time, you guys will find out. We have plans of letting you guys know what we are. So stay tuned to our social media channels and those. I'll
be glued there. I'm marry Hannah Bobo. All right. Ebeniro sounded like Anambra State. Are you from Anambra State?
No, I am from Imo State. Yoruba, my local government to be precise. I mean, that's my town.
That's fine. Now, let's get into the August 30th event proper.
Yes.
Kehenemena Enugu on August 30th. Talk to us about this massive event you're planning for in Enugu.
So, collaboration. And I'll tell you how this event came about. We visited Nasty Black. You know Nasty Black, right? He was in Enugu State, right? And, we went to visit him, did one or two things with him. And I think it was on our way home, or we're still in the building still. And Mini Celeb asked me, what do you want to do for your birthday? And my friend, so Ebuka, it was like a conversation because my birthday was next. They were like, what do I want to do for my birthday? I was like, I don't want to do that. I didn't have anything to do. Like, I didn't plan for anything. Then as I took like 1 or 2 minutes break, boom!
The idea came.
It came, boom! You understand? It didn't just flash into my head. And I said, Car Fest. I was like, ha! You understand? Then I had to like break it down for them to understand this is what we're going to do, this is what we're going to do. So now they've bought the idea. So now they're working as we speak. Everybody's working, the team is working. So they bought the idea, and since then we've been pushing. So let me talk about the event itself, what the event is going to be about, and the activities. So Frosty Car Fest is one of the biggest show, if not the biggest, that is going to happen in Enugu State. This event is taking place in Opera Square, and we're going to have all sort of people, both the VIPs, everybody, like and it's an event for all families, friends, sisters, couples. I mean, it's an event for everybody. And the activities that will take place is we'll have car performances like the car drifting. We have a drive-through. This drive-through is when cars will drive in, the vintage cars, the cars you hardly see, will have like a drive-through, and you know, we'll talk about the cars, and we'll let you guys know about these cars. There'll be car auctioning too. We'll be auctioning cars on that day. I know some of you want to buy cars, and you're looking for the best place to, you know, get a car for a good offer, you know, for a cheaper rate. Come to that event, you see cars, affordable cars for you. I'm sure I know as I'm speaking now, there's somebody who's already thinking about it. So,
yeah, I'm thinking about if they're going to dash cars, I'll be there.
Dash cars. we can make room for that.
Exactly.
We can make room for that.
Exactly.
I'm not promising you, but we can see what we can do if you can dash somebody a car. Moving on, and we have I mean, obviously food, drinks, entertainment, music that will take place. We have there's a whole lot of
Just
things.
really talks for us.
Yes. So car showcase, featuring a range of luxurious vehicles from classic cars to the latest models. We are talking about Ferraris, Dodge Challenger, Rolls Royce,
Are those
Jaguar.
in Enugu? They'll come in, right? I'm sorry.
You don't know what's going on. You don't know what's going on.
I like that I'm asking
If you
this.
honestly, if you have a luxurious car, right? If you have any luxurious car and you want to come out, just reach out. We'll talk about the number you reach out to later, but just reach out. I know, you know, when someone buys a luxurious car, they don't just want to park it; they want to drive it.
And show it off.
Yes, there's a thing when there's a feeling when you buy a luxurious car and when you drive it and when you show it off. Do you understand? It's not complete when you show it off. Do you understand? So we are creating that space for you to come and show off your luxurious car, because we don't want dust to accumulate on it. So there'll be car showcase, there'll be car performances, which I spoke about earlier. That's the drifting and the drive-through. There'll be car-themed games. You understand? There'll be car-themed games. I mean, games that has to revolve around cars, and every other activity might not just be just cars. You understand? We have to extend it. You understand? Because, you know, it's big, and we'll be expecting big brands to come and, you know, partner with us.
Exactly.
Some have already partnered with us already.
Exactly. I was going to ask that.
Yes.
And we're an opening for brands to come partner with you people.
Oh, there's an opening. No, come and partner. It's big. It's big. I mean, we are looking. Not that we are looking. We are looking for sponsors, right? But at the same time, we are already pushing for it already. So we are also expecting sponsors to come in and use this opportunity for their brand awareness, to come and, you know, have like a physical interaction with our audience.
Who are also their audience.
We are also their audience, because it's luxury, it's big. The whole of Enugu will be out on that day. Networking with other brands, brand awareness, sales and promotion, and come and tell what your brand produces. Come and promote it, come and talk about it. You name it. You know, I mean, brands know what they can do.
But in Canada, on the 30th of August. Get time.
So it's a day event, right? We're going to start from 10 a.m. Yes, because the day event we have lots of activities, so we have to start
on time.
Yes. So we'll start at 10 a.m. and this event will take place till 10 p.m. because I mean we have to party. There will be an after party. So that's the duration. That's
fine. Unanugi hope Frosty Car Fest na Nopara Square on the 30th of August from elekere nke iri n'ụtụtụ kwụsị na elekere nke iri n'anyasị. Bịa mbọsị a buru ụgbọala gị pụta. Frosty dịka nsi kwuo. Ndị dịka mụ ga-achọ ka enweta onyinye ụgbọala. Ya bụ na enwe game anyị ga-play for us to win cars.
Like I said, we'll make. Now you
cars
said
from
it.
Tino Autos, you know, all of those people.
Yeah, that's true. Now you said it, we're going to make room for that. I'm not promising because we have a plan already.
Exactly.
So we'll make room. Now you've said it, and we still have time to discuss it with I still have time to discuss with my team. We'll try and make room for it. You understand? So just be expecting it. Just be expecting a huge surprise from us on that day.
That's fine. Or the Mandalorian for talking to us about this event and also about yourself. Two things I'm looking forward to is the 30th August event and also the day again a mini celeb.
I want to coming.
All right. Ebe ka nkata mụ na Frosty Papito ga na-akụrụ ọnụ. Abụ m nwa dị fọma. Nọdụ ọfụma.